Failure data is everywhere, but rarely consistent. Different formats, different definitions, different outcomes. What if failure data spoke one language? Introducing AsInt Failure Data Library, a centralized foundation for reliability. Standardize every failure event across modes, causes, mechanisms, effects, maintainable items, and activities. Build structured profiles, assign intelligent code groups, upload or export in bulk without losing integrity. Search instantly, track every revision, control every change, because reliability demands precision. Reduce manual effort, eliminate inconsistencies, enable smarter analysis from RCA to RCM. One system, one structure, one source of truth. AsInt Failure Data Library. Explore more at asint.net.